What is good, y'all? So this is the Depo Racing downpipe without the catalytic converter, so it's pretty much just a straight pipe all the way to the catback. But yeah, I've already unboxed it a bit, but let's take a closer look at it. It looks like we got a Depo Racing sticker. Not the best looking sticker, but I mean, that's just one more for my collection. And it looks like we got some gaskets in here too. Always good to have them. And that's really it. You just get the pipe itself now. Ooh, it looks like we got some screws in there too. So I'm not gonna get the whole bubble wrap off this thing because I'm not installing it myself, but there you go. This whole pipe is about 3" and there's the flex pipe. Quality looks pretty good. The welds looks pretty decent. Honestly not sure what this thing is for. I'm guessing it's something you can plug your O2 sensors if you want to add one or something, but the Genesis Coupe doesn't have an O2 sensor for this part of the exhaust. And yeah, that's really it. Not much to it. It's fairly light, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna reduce the weight of your car. If anything, it's probably gonna give you a little bit of a performance increase, if not the bigger pipe, but definitely the weight reduction will give you some. But yeah, that's about it for the unboxing, and we're gonna install it in a bit, and I'll give you a little bit of a review right after that. So I got a new downpipe on my car. Originally I wasn't planning on getting this downpipe installed on my car, but here's what happened. I wanted to get some pizza, and by getting some pizza I busted my exhaust. Now that's a short story. The long story, I wanted to go to Domino's Pizza, right? I saw this parking ramp that goes into the Domino's back parking lot, and it looked kind of steep. But I'm like, come on, my car's not that low, alright? So I went ahead, drove up to it. First few 5 seconds, it's all good. Made it up, and then I felt a little bit of a bump. I'm like, that's normal. I feel that all the time. And then I felt a little bit more. I'm like, okay, this is probably not looking good, but I gotta get through this bump. So I gassed into it, made it past the bump, everything seemed normal, parked my car in the parking lot, and then got my pizza. Now I gotta drive off that parking lot, so I had to go through that ramp twice. So I drove up to it. I knew it was gonna be bad. Mind you, I was also doing the diagonal driving tactic when your car's too low. And also, my car's not that low. I'm sure y'all have seen it on my video. So yeah, I drove up to it, felt that same shit again, sped through it, just cause, I don't know, I didn't want to slowly go through that bump and feel that pain slowly, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I drove home, everything seemed normal. I was backing up into my driveway, and then I felt a loud rattling noise under my car. And I was like, shit, could that be a body panel under my car? What could it be? Because there's nothing has ever been broken under my car every time I go through big bumps like that before. I didn't know what it was, but I didn't have time to check through it because I was, having a party and all that. But anyway, looked under my car the next day. It looks like there was a bit of a leak going on in my car. So I'm like, okay, gotta take it to a muffler shop. Took it to a muffler shop, and they were telling me your flex pipe is busted. I'm like, shit, okay. And turns out the flex pipe is part of the downpipe for the Genesis Coupe. First they were telling me, if you want to get that fixed right now, we can get it fixed for you for $170. I'm like, you know what? That's a piece of a downpipe. So if I'm gonna fix just that one part, why not replace the whole thing and get an upgrade? So I bought a whole downpipe, got it installed, and there you go. I'm driving with it. You want to hear it? Let's do it. Just switch this lane. gonna be a lot of pops. Maybe not this time. A little bit of air time there. But usually, every time I put the pedal on the floor, it pops like crazy. Maybe I gotta warm up the car a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Let's try one more time. Oh, good. Everything good? Okay. Okay. I like the way it sounds, that's for sure. And by the way, this is called the Depo Racing Downpipe, if I haven't mentioned it yet. I definitely hear a lot more of the high-end frequencies of my exhaust. Things like, you know, verbal sounds that you're getting from the car. You hear more of it now, and you get more pops. That's one thing for sure. You get a lot more pops going. And as far as performance goes, I can't tell a thing. Everything still feels somewhat the same. But yeah, I don't know. Can't really say much about performance. For me, it's not more of like wanting to be faster, but I just wanted a better sounding car. Definitely sounds a lot better. It almost sounds like a Jaguar without the excessive pops and all that. What's this car tailgating me like crazy? You gotta pee or some shit? Yeah, that's a Depo Racing exhaust. So the videos that I've recorded with me driving with all the pops and bangs and all that, it doesn't do it justice. Cause I mean, yeah, you can hear it, but just hearing it is not enough. If you're in the car like myself and you're hearing that pops, you're not just hearing it, you're also feeling it in the car. You definitely gotta be in the car to really know how good it sounds like now. But yeah, that's about it. That's a Depo Racing downpipe with a Solo Performance exhaust. Summarize it, not that I talked about much, but yeah, you get a lot more pops. You get a louder car in the higher frequency end, and you should be getting a little bit of performance boost, but for me, with my butt dyno, I can't really tell the difference. If you're worried about the fitment of the downpipe, everything fits perfectly. The price is really good, and it's perfect. But yeah, that's about it. Depo Racing downpipe. Hope y'all liked the video. Peace out.